Hello children, welcome to this video English Literature Class 1, Chapter 2, Houses Big and Small. Now I am here, the second part of the chapter, Houses Big and Small. So children, what we did last class? In the last class, I explained to you the poem Houses Big and Small. Let's read the poem once again. How some houses are big and some are small. Some houses are white and some are tall. So many houses wherever I roam, but the best of all is my own sweet home. Children, you also read this poem and learn it. Let's read new words in the poem. The first word is house. The second word is big. The third word is small. The fourth word is white. Fifth word is tall. Sixth word is room. Seventh word is best. Eighth word is sweet. And ninth is home. Okay, children? Children, please write these words in your copy. You need to write these words in your copy and learn it. Now here a few words meaning. The first word is big. The meaning is large. The next word is wide. The meaning is measuring from one side to other. Third word is house. The meaning is a building to live. Now fourth word is room. The meaning is go here and there. The last word is sweet. The meaning is nice. And you can also write pleasing. Children, please write the word meaning in your copy. Children, let's start the question answers. The first question is, how many types of houses are mentioned in the poem? The answer is, there are 4 types of houses mentioned in the poem, which are big, small, wide and tall. Okay, children? The second question, which is the best of all houses? The answer is, the poet's own sweet home is the best of all the houses. Okay, children? The question number 3, who roams here and there? The answer is, the poet roams here and there. The question number 4, what did the poet see here and there? The answer is, poet saw so many houses here and there. Children, please do these question answers in your copy and learn it. Children, please do some other exercises related to the book. Now, take comprehension A1. Take the kinds of houses the child sees. So, in this poem, child sees small house. Now, take the correct small, wide house, big house and tall house. Now take these answers, okay? Now second A2. Complete the following sentence. The child likes his own sweet home the best. Children, please do some opposite words. Write the opposites of the given words. Choose them from the balloon. The first word is big. The opposite word is small. The second word is tall. The opposite is short. The third is many. The third word is many. The opposite is few. Now the fourth word is best. The opposite word is worst. The fifth word is wide. The opposite word is narrow. Children, see this activity. Do you love your home? Yes. I think all of you love your home. What are the things you like to do at your home? Write 3 things you like to do at home. First thing, children, you can write here, I help my mom at home. The second sentence, I like to watch TV in my home. Now the next word is, the third sentence is, children, is here, I do the homework. So children, just write down this activity in your book. I hope children you will understand these exercises. Thank you children.